Rode Microphones has been well known to create a number of great products, especially audio equipments, and a number of filmmakers use them as well. The company has a reputation in creating some of the industry's best audio products, ranging from microphones down to sound recorders. And just recently, they have released the smallest by far of their wireless microphone lineup, the Rode Wireless Mic Go. Hey guys, what's up? Mark here, and today we're gonna talk about audio. And also, watch till the end of the video because I'm gonna give my final thoughts on the Rode Wireless Mic Go. In every great movie or film, it wouldn't have much impact without clear and high quality audio. Just imagine, if this video had a very crappy audio, believe me, I bet in 5 to 10 seconds, you're gonna be closing this window and moving on to the next one 100%. That's because clear audio is just as important as a high quality or high resolution video. And as professional filmmakers, we invest a lot in our gears just to capture sharp, high quality, high resolution image. And in order to tell the story of the video, it should always be complemented by the highest quality audio. Telling stories over the years and working with wireless microphone systems has been a breeze, especially when doing it on set. Lately, I have been really contemplating getting myself a wireless lav mic system, but I just find it too expensive for me. Searching from a wide array or a wide variety of brands that would fit my budget. A couple of months ago, I almost jumped in and purchased one of Rode's cheap line of wireless lav mic system, the Rode Filmmaking, which costs about 25,000 pesos, or that's roughly around $329 in Amazon. Luckily, the announcement of Rode's newest compact wireless mic system just came in time. Once I heard the announcement, in a heartbeat, I pre-ordered the product. Right off the box, it comes with a signature red wire with a 3.5mm jack at both ends. This is, I think, the same wire that came with a Video Micro external microphone. You also have the receiver and the transmitter, but we'll discuss more of this in a bit. Then you also have the two wind muffs that fits right in, the built-in lav mic and the transmitter. Also included are the two USB Type-C cables, so you could charge the receiver and the transmitter at the same time. Lastly, included in the package is a soft neoprene pouch, which can fit the two units inside. This is also an added protection.
It's very easy to set up. The device comes paired already by default, so you don't have to worry about pairing it. You just power it on and it's ready to go. Just be sure to check the levels as part of your pre-recording or pre-production checklist to avoid any peaking or any unwanted noise. The great thing is, it has an LCD screen on the receiver where you can monitor everything.
Now guys, let me remind you, this is not yet the full review of the product. I still have to play with it for a few weeks before I can give my full review.
About the price, it came out at $199. It's about 11,000 pesos converted, but I'm pretty sure it would be reselling at a higher price, of course, because of the taxes and other government fees. But given the brand's reputation, you can't go wrong at this price point.
Going back, first thing you will notice is the size of the wireless lav mic system. If I put it side by side with my iPhone 7s, you can really see the difference in size compared to its older brother, the Rode Filmmaking. Now, if you take a closer look at the transmitter, you can notice the built-in lav mic system. This is a microphone that is built inside the system, so you don't need a wired lav mic in order to use it. Surprisingly, the built-in microphone was really good. It performed really well. I even shot a whole wedding without using any external lav mic, using only the microphone that was built in the transmitter. Although I gotta say that it's more towards the bassy side, but I guess that's not a big problem because you can always fix that one in post. Now, looking at the receiver, first thing you will notice is the LCD screen. It's kind of small, but it's very useful. You have all the details that you need when you are shooting. On your screen, you can see the strength of the signal. By the way, this uses a 2.4 gigahertz digital frequency system. They say that this is more of a stable wireless frequency. They claim that you can go as much as 70 meters line of sight, but you just be careful when you run into walls, because I noticed that it cuts off sometimes when there are walls in between. I am not gonna be going in depth with the details. I'm gonna be reserving that one for the full review, so you better watch out for that one. Nevertheless, as promised, I'm gonna be giving you my final thoughts of the Rode Wireless Mic Go. Right off the box, the build quality of the product is really good, although it's made out of plastic, but it doesn't feel cheap. Given its size, it's really small, but you can still feel the weight in it. I usually relate that one with having good quality. It only means that the internals were made with good materials. That's why you can still feel the weight when you put it in your hands, and that's a good thing. Alright, I think it's about time to wrap this one up. Again, this is not my full review. This is just my first look and my first impressions. I had only been using it for less than a week, so I still have to play with it a little bit more. Just a couple more weeks. So far, I'm liking it. I love using it. It won't be leaving my gear bag anytime soon. I'll be taking it in all my projects. I hope you learned something today. If you have something on your mind, if you have something to share, leave a comment down below. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell icon just beside it so you won't miss any future uploads, especially the full review of this one. And always remember, a great video is nothing without a great audio. Keep filming, keep shooting, and I'll catch you all later.